Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 4 of our full body fat burn challenge. All right, today we got a head to toe workout. You're gonna love it. Let's get into it. First up, we have big arm circles. All right, so we're going 3 times one way, and then you're gonna stop, and then you're gonna go 3 times the other way, and then repeat. Now this stop here takes control. All right, so you have nice, good tension throughout your arms. All right, really squeezing your muscles, and you're gonna feel it. All right, and besides that, we have good posture, a nice, strong, tight core. All right, chin is up, very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and finish up your set and release, very good. Next, we have a together kick crunch. All right, so arms are up together, palms facing forward, and you're gonna kick, and then hands try to meet your foot up, and then repeat. Now we usually do these like this. So here's a second option for you. All right, arm, hand to opposite foot. All right, so here's one kick crunch, or together, a little bit harder. So you go ahead and choose which one's best for you today. Remember to come up straight each time, no matter which one you're doing, come up straight. All right, but we're not opening up our rib cage. We're not like this. Boom, lock it in, close your rib cage. All right, boom, here, not here. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have IYT arms, all right? And they look as they sound. So you make an I, and then you come back down, Y, and then T. All right, you can come out here instead of down here. So I, Y, T. All right, you can do this standing like I am right now, or you can do it bent over a little bit as well. All right, I, Y, T. All right, bent over works your core and your back a little bit more, even your legs, just because of the position you're holding. So go ahead and choose which one works best for you. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Last but not least, we have a squat and kick. All right, feet are hip width apart. We're going to squat and then kick. All right, squat and then kick. You can have your hands. I had them in fighting position, all right? Right, fighting away fat, fighting for good health, but you can go ahead and have them on your hips or out to the side. All right, whatever works for you. You can also do a side kick if you want. All right, so you have some freedom to choose what you like best here. So you can side kick instead of front kick. Boom. All right, so go ahead and choose whatever little combination, arms, kick that you like. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. First set done and dusted. Great job, big breath. Starting with our big arm circles. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Together kick crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. IYT. And 3, 2, 1. And shake it out. Very good. Squat and kick. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. 2 sets done. 1 more to go. Big breath. Starting with our big arm circles. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Together kick crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. IYT. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Squat and kick. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of our day 4 workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. And I will see you tomorrow for day 5 with Coach Greg.